This is my new ultra-wide monitor, the Dell P3421W 34-inch. Just arrived. Dell got it to me fast. I ordered it this weekend, so I'm gonna do an unboxing for you, show you what's in the box. Oh, it looks like I maybe have it slightly upside down there, you see, so we'll turn it on edge. Yeah, so this is the top, and they've got it instructions here how to do it. So I'll flip her down gently. Oh, and there we go. So this is what's in the box. Good packaging. I think they sent it FedEx. It arrived at the office today. Here, let me just push. So if you're wondering what you're getting in the box, let's see. Got the manual, the base, looks like a cord. I forget what that end's called, but that's like the printer style one, at least for me. Then they give you that's USB C, and then this one HDMI, I believe. I got a monitor from Dell Outlet one time and they sent it with no cord. Here's the power cord. So that was a big bummer, and it took a long time to get it from them. Otherwise, I've been another HDMI, I think. Or no, is that? Yeah, I think that is. Otherwise, I've been happy with Dell, pretty happy with Dell equipment. But I'm replacing this is the 27-incher, because I've heard the ultra-wide more productive. So I've never had two screens, but we're gonna try this. Well, there's part of the base, and then for this video I'll try to just, okay, that I think is the big base. Feels heavy. I'm trying to get to make sure the monitor's in here. Yep, there it is. So then down there at the bottom is the actual monitor, and oh, they package it nice. They've got the cardboard all designed to hold it well, so that's good. And you can see there's the 34-inch. So maybe I'll try to do a follow-up once I get it put together. Thanks for watching. That's unboxing the Dell P3421W. Okay, here it is out of the box. Pretty easy to put the stand on, and that's the 27-incher by comparison. So this is the 34-inch ultra-wide to the right, and I'm gonna swap them out. It's surprisingly light for how big it is, and the instructions are very good. How they show just take the base, put it in while it's in the box, and you're ready to go. So I'm excited to get it up and running, the new Dell 34-inch ultra-wide. Update, the directions are quite good, and on this model it's nice you put the cords through here. So this is HDMI, and then here's the new USB C you can use to power a laptop, which is great. And then this I had to buy separate. This is the sound bar. So I was really impressed with how this sound bar just magnet right up there. But be aware, if you want sound with this monitor, you gotta buy it separate. And it just came in this other little box here. The SB21A. So if you want soundbar, get that. And then here's the instructions. So I'm at this phase, and next I'm gonna plug her in. Here's the back, and I'm at the connecting the cords phase. And one thing I like is with this professional series, my old one was actually a home series, but you can route the cords through here. And it's got this nice sturdy stand. And then this is HDMI. This is the new USB C, so you can power a laptop if you have USB C from the monitor or anything with USB C. And then this is the speaker by USB. There's two USB ports here, or three, actually three. So you can power the speaker, and that you have to buy separate. This is the little soundbar speaker, but I was impressed how it just magnet up there, and it just came separate in this box, the SB521A, if you want a speaker, which I want just so I can hear things. And then I'm at this stage here. The instructions are quite good. One thing I'll note, this stand is height adjustable, and you'll see I've got it, it looks like the highest, but you can see there's a track, and I'm not even sure how you move it down, but I like it high because I had this spacer thing before. Well, you can see it here for the other one to get it up high enough for me, and I don't think I'll need this now with the professional series. So that's what it looks like set up, and I got my webcam on top and it fits fine. And so next will be power it on, see if it works. Thanks for tuning in. Apologize about the lighting, these big windows, but I powered it on, and you select a language, and the power button's in the back. They show you, but it's right there. And I'm not entirely sure. I want English, but I don't know if I... Well, there's a toggle here. There. And then you always on. Power consumption will increase. I don't know. I guess I want to try it out, so I'll turn it on for now. I think you can turn off or on USB charging, looks like. So, no DP cable. Oh, I must have to hook up that other cable too. Standby. Update, it's this cable. That's DP. So, I found it. It was buried under my stuff. I gotta hook it up. Okay, we got it working. And the main thing I noticed is just how much screen space there is. All this over here, I used to have all my desktop icons are now hidden under this square. And I will say, the first time I plugged it in, it thought it still had my old monitor, so the icons appeared blurry. So I was able to do a restart, and thankfully now it's working. And that DP cable, I don't have that port on my tower, So I just had to like tell it to use HDMI in the toggles. There's a toggle back here, and the only thing is somehow I switched to Chinese, so I don't really know what it's saying. But if you know how to switch it to English, let me know. Hope you enjoy your new monitor. Oh, and let's see. I think it made a noise there, so that probably means the volume is working. Yeah, you can hear that chime. So good news, the speaker is working right away.